It's Ipsy time. This is my last Ipsy package for my subscription. I canceled it, trying to save money because we are retiring in a few months. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. Oh, that's cute. I like the bag. Let's see, one at a time or everything all at once? What do we have? House Laboratories Brow and Lash Sparkle Topper. I don't know what that means. And I don't have fingernails now to open stuff with. Let's try. I broke my thumbnail this morning trying to make coffee. Let's do this. There we go. Man, that was easy. Okay. This says House Laboratories. It looks like a mascara, but it says it's glitter. And I have got my lashes done, so I don't need this. Don't need it. Whoops, I put this in upside down. Let's try that again. There we go. So I can find somebody to give that a new home to. What's this? Tinted Face Oil by Kosas. Featherweight light to medium foundation and deeply hydrating skin elixir, light with golden undertones. Tinted face oil. Yep, it's a tinted face oil. It seems like you need to shake it first. Oh yeah, there's a little ball in there to mix everything up. Okay, let's try again. There we go. See the color? Is it a match? Nope. Well, isn't that an interesting piece of makeup? Never heard of tinted face oil before. It's like literally a mix of foundation and oil. Interesting. What's this? Glow Drops by Jekka Black. Highlighting primer for face. Rose Pearl is the color. Here's what it looks like. Gluten-free, cruelty-free. Highlighting primer. Can I put on primer and then powder? Whoops. Oh, that's kind of pretty. It's shimmery. Let's put the lid back on here. Oh, that's very pink. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very shimmery. That's interesting as well. What's next? Totally Tubular Mascara by Half Caked. Babe tested, vegan approved. What color is it? I don't need mascara. I got my lashes done. It's called The Heights. Does that mean it's black or brown? Totally Tubular. And it's black. I'll hold on to this just in case. Just in case. Okay, I think this is the last thing. Oh, we forgot this. This is the last thing. What do we have? Ooh, is this an eyeshadow palette? Am I cheating by looking through the wrapping? Yes, I am. Ooh, this feels really soft. It feels like suede. Shades by Shan, San Francisco, California, MBY Makeup Studio. Neutral Edition 9-pan eyeshadow palette. Ooh. Wifey, Miami, or Mommy. Whoops, I can read. Wifey, Mommy, Foxy, Girl Boss, Self-Made, Dreamer, Hexed, Moxie, and Tease. Those are pretty. Foxy, that's really dark. Cool. I put all my makeup away for my business and now I just got a little bit more. Alright, you guys. Thank you for joining me for Ipsy, my final Ipsy opening. Take care and be blessed.